Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to disable Notepad on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to go to your start or search window, type over here gpedit.msc. After that, press enter from your keyboard. So I will give you this command on my video description so you can copy from there. So after that, press enter. Now you just need to expand user configuration from your left side. So expand user configuration from here. Now expand administrative templates. Now you just need to click on system. On your right side, you will get an option called don't run specified Windows application. So double click on it. Now click on enable. After that, click on show. Now on this value here, you just need to type notepad.exe. Okay. So type notepad.exe and after that click on OK, then apply, then OK. Once it will done, you just need to go to your start menu and it will open Notepad, and as you can see, it's not working, it is not clicking. And if you want to disable it, you just need to simply double click on it. You can select here not configured or disabled, and after that click on apply, then OK, and you are done. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.